Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this transmitter and receiver extender kit for HDMI video, which I think that it's great because that way you can do any kind of conference or any kind of school presentation without having to worry about plugging in your computer or device onto a screen, which I think that it's great. We get a receiver and a transmitter, both with an HDMI cable and a USB Type-C port, so that way we can, use them, connect them, in this case, as you can see, into my laptop right here. And they also get a USB A to Type C cable so that it's powered on. Okay, I'm gonna connect it. As we can see, it turns on. And the same with the receiver. I'm gonna connect the USB Type C charging cable and the HDMI onto the screen. In this case, I'm gonna be using this TV at my back. Okay, I'm going to connect the HDMI and the USB-A. Okay. Okay, it's pairing. That's it. As you can see, that easily you can get your laptop, PC, or any kind of computer, cell phone screen that you need into your proper presentation screen, which I think that it's really, really nice. You also get some adapters in case that your devices don't get the regular HDMI, which I think that it's great. We also get the instruction manual, and what I think that it's nice is that you can use it in a wide range of scenarios. As I've said, school presentations, work presentations, any kind of conference, or just in your house if you don't want to have your computer directly plugged into your projector, HD TV, or monitor. You can use it like this, which I think it's really, really nice. And overall, because it's a really great set that comes with anything that you need to use them, which I think it's great. They are plug and play, which I think that it's great. That way you don't have to do any kind of configuration in your laptop or anything. You just need to plug it in into each of the devices, and that's it. What I think that it's great is that you can also use it or configure it now with your computer, so it doesn't just mirror your screen. Like in this case, it's just mirroring, but you can also get it so it extends the screen, which I think that it's great. Okay, let me get it in a bit. In this case, I already extended my display, and as you can see, I can just drag it like this and give any kind of presentation, which I think that it's really, really nice. Overall, because it's really easy to use, it's a great set. I will really recommend it. See you guys.